by Suzanne Wayne and illustrated by Angel Rodriguez.
Emily Elizabeth twirled in her yard. She sang her favorite song. Little birds sang along. Her friend Charlie came by. "I like the way you sing," he said. "Thanks," said Emily Elizabeth. "It must be fun to be a singing star." "I just learned to play this guitar," said Charlie. "We could sing, and I could play along. We might even earn some money that way." Emily Elizabeth and Charlie went over their songs. Soon they learned to sing and play together. First they put up a sign. Then they waited for people to come. But no one came. Except Clifford. "No one knows we're here," Emily Elizabeth said. "Too bad we can't drive a car," said Charlie. "Then we could go all over Birdwell Island to where the people are." "I have an idea," said Emily Elizabeth. Emily Elizabeth and Charlie got up onto Clifford's back. "Please take us to the dock, Clifford," Emily Elizabeth said. Clifford got going. He carried them to the ferry dock. There were all sorts of people there. Charlie played, and he and Emily Elizabeth sang. Clifford served as the stage. When they were done, everyone clapped. Emily Elizabeth and Charlie also earned money at the dock. Then Clifford took them from there to the park, and after that, he took them into town. "Thank you, Clifford," Emily Elizabeth said. "You took us far, so we could feel like real